And we are all so privileged to be here, to walk in the footsteps of so many of the most extraordinary people who have ever lived on this earth.
I'm very happy to be here and to be able to share some thoughts on forgiveness.
Forgiveness is an experience that, so to speak, occupies a central place in people's moral life. It seems impossible to sincerely forgive a wrongdoer and at the same time harbor wishes of revenge against another.
The Jewish people have forgiven. We have excellent relations with Germany, but we cannot forget. This is not, I would say it's not moral to forget in that case.
I think it's of utmost significance in this world to have this dialogue between religions, trying to understand one of the most needed concepts in our times, that is forgiveness.
The captive's tale is in the first part of Don Quixote. This Zoraida is the only daughter of a very rich father, and she decided to live for a Catholic country together with the captive. So she is, in a way, a traitor. You know, it is called the captive's tale, but the captive is not the hero. The hero is the father. The abandoned father stays there, and he said, "Come back, beloved daughter. Come back to land. I forgive you for everything."